such a gorgeous bob, complete with curtain bangs for the first transformation. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hair transformations. Next up we see another beautiful bob with this blonde haircut style. Loving the bright blonde color on this, so pretty. And then we see someone with very long waist-length hair, and the stylist chops the hair right off. So it looks like she's going quite short for this makeover. Oh, wow, breathtaking pixie style. She does have that very popular asymmetrical shape that's trending right now. This is so chic and polished. I absolutely love it. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, it looks like we have another bob makeover. Oh, this is such a pretty shape. She does have a very nice dramatic angle going here with this one. Very cute. Next up, we see someone with long blonde hair. Ooh, and she goes copper. I absolutely love this. Look at all those beautiful layers within the cut as well. Such a stunning makeover. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. And she gets a beautiful brunette bob. Moving on, we have someone with mid-length hair. And she decides to shake things up with a bob style as well. A nice color refresh with this one as well. And then we have a full-on color transformation. Followed, wow. She looks absolutely gorgeous. I almost thought that this was a different person. Wow, absolutely stunning. And then we have our last transformation for today's video. It looks like a nice pixie undercut style. Ooh, beautiful shape to frame out her face. Oh, wow, this is gorgeous. I love her tattoos as well. You guys play Mario. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out today's hairstyles. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.